do I stay consistent? So what happens with most people is that they start one day and they don't stay consistent. But I'll give you a tip if you want to stay consistent, especially when you're in the midst of chaos. Is one thing that I usually say is if you want to stay consistent, or you want to create that really better habits, it's about really looking at your tribe. I'm going to say it again. If you want to stay consistent, start looking at your tribe. So, how many people in your tribe or in your world have already mastered or doing well in the areas that you want to improve or you want to grow in? So, let's say, hey, I want to start that business, or I want to make sure that I'm, doing what I need to do at work. Who has done that in a powerful way? Because oftentimes what we do is, let's say I wanted to get in shape and I'm going to team up with someone that's also trying to get in shape. Well, the problem is that none of us have mastered the consistency of working out. What I should instead do is I should team up with someone that's already mastered those traits.